Have you ever felt like giving up on your dream? You had this dream, you're going to get to a certain point in your life and you just felt like giving up. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about what to do when you feel like giving up on your dreams. My name's John Richards, and on my channel, I help people go from average to exceptional in all areas of their life. And it's not really that hard to do that if you have the processes. So let's get started. What to do when you feel like giving up on your dream. First thing you're going to do is why did you pursue that dream? Why were you going after it? You had a reason in the beginning. What made you change your mind? Why are you giving up? A lot of times we want success faster than it can really happen. Hey, there's a great book that I just read called The Miracle Equation by Hal Elrod, and he talks about when he wrote The Miracle Morning. If you've not read that book, another great one, but how he had a goal to get to 1 million readers within the first 12 months or whatever it was. I can't remember the exact story, but I think you'll get what I'm trying to get to here. But at the end of that first year, I think he sold 10,000 copies. So sometimes you got to understand your dreams and your goals don't happen in the time frame you set for them. But you have to have the faith to keep going. You have to have the unwavering faith that no matter what, you're not stopping, man. You're going to keep going because that dream is important enough to you. So if it's important enough to you, you're going to keep going. So what is your why? Another thing that I would do is I would have a vision, and maybe you do, but maybe revisit the vision. Think about the vision. Look at the vision every day so it keeps you motivated to keep going. You don't give up on something you want that bad just because you may have had some obstacles or maybe something didn't happen right. So you want to write a vision. And a vision is simply a very clear picture of where you're going. Today is December 31st, 2019. My life looks like this, and describing in detail, every detail. And that keeps you motivated because now you're thinking, I know what that looks like. I can remember when I got into a network marketing business here recently, and the car that they were wanted you to drive was a Jeep, and they would pay the lease payment. And I can remember when my wife had always wanted a Jeep, so we'd go to the gym, and we would really focus on that Jeep, driving that Jeep, and all of a sudden, everywhere we looked, we seen a black Jeep. It was crazy. And so every day we'd go to the gym, we'd continue seeing this. Every morning I'd get up, I would visualize this. And within 60 days, we're driving that exact Jeep. That's the power of a vision. Having that crystal clear in your mind, that's where I'm going. Now, focus on what you can control. You control the process. So whatever it is, so if your dream is to be a business owner and own this certain business, you got to focus on the actions it takes to get there. A lot of times people focus on the outcome and the end result, and you just push that away. A lot of times they don't take the actions as necessary. So whatever that dream is or whatever that next goal is, you need to identify what are the actions you're going to take. What is the process? And once you have that, schedule that in your calendar. And if you take action on that consistently over time, you'll get there. I think a lot of times what happens is when we have a dream or a goal, we quit taking action and we can't understand, well, how come I'm not getting this result? Well, you're not going to get a result that way. You want to make sure you continue to take actions and you progress. I've been guilty of this myself. This is the last quarter of 2019. And there's goals that I want to achieve this year that over the last few months, maybe even 6 months, I haven't taken action on. Well, I can't expect to get a goal or hit a goal or achieve a dream or create a vision if I'm not taking action on it. It doesn't happen that way. The law of attraction isn't just visualize, and things happen. There's one part of that they never really talk about is you have to take action. So again, what is your why? Why did you originally want that dream? Okay? Why is that? Why did you want it? Is that still relevant to you? Okay? What's your vision? What's it look like when you get there? That should motivate you to keep going. What's that end result look like? If not, brighten it up. Make it more incredible. Make it great. Make it really look good. Okay? And then focus on what you can control, which is the process. So I have the outcome goal. What does the process look like? I need to schedule that in and then continue to take action consistently. Hey guys, if you like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Hey, make sure you comment and tell me what your thoughts are. Make sure you share this with anybody that can use it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click the bell notification on the side so you get notified of any future videos. Hey, I do email these videos out to my email list every single week, so don't forget to click the link in the description so you get on my email list. Go out and make it an awesome day today, guys. Thank you.